Hello, and welcome to another episode of In Just 1 Minute or So. Today we're going to talk about working together to grow together. This is based in a little book of fresh ideas for leadership and workplace culture by Eric Stutzman, Wendy Loewen, and Randy Grieser. Let's jump in. In great workplaces, the best leaders work to provide environments where employees are inspired to continually develop and grow. This happens when we are surrounded by excellence in the workplace, where we recognize who is good at what and encourage others to learn from the examples around them. So let's see a few ideas to help you create a culture where team members share a passion for continuous improvement. Let's encourage people to work together. Many organizations have a culture that is so focused on individual performance and accountability that they forego the opportunity to capitalize on the positive influence of a group in promoting development. Somebody used to say, "Iron sharpens iron." And when I asked that person what it meant, he explained that when the iron blades of two knives are rubbed together, they become sharper and more effective as a result. He said that the same effect happens when we surround ourselves with good people. They influence us and we tend to emulate their positive characteristics. This idea holds true in the workplace. When we encourage our staff to work together on projects, they will naturally learn from one another as they interact, ask questions, and experience the combined energy of their skills. Let's provide opportunities to learn about each other's role. There is a value in having our employees be aware of what happens in various departments in our organization. We don't need to plunge our staff into unrelated roles for the purpose of simply learning what their core workers do, but we do want them to understand how their role contributes to the organization's mission. One way of doing so is to have new hires sit for 15 to 20 minutes with each employee during the first week of their job. This gives them the opportunity to see the expertise of other staff and builds a sense of pride as employees highlight their unique contributions. It also provides the staff with the knowledge of who they can go to when they need help or who they could approach if they want to develop their own skills in a particular area. In addition, when we highlight that they are surrounded by people who excel at what they do, it encourages them to become exceptional in their role. Let's facilitate peer-to-peer training. Some of the managers I have spoken with have the perception that the experts are outside of the organization. Although this may be true in some cases, this mindset can result in the skills of their own staff being left untapped. While it is often helpful and even necessary to bring in outside supports for development, we should consider the value of peer-to-peer learning as part of our staff development plan. If we have hired well, we will be surrounded by smart, capable, and competent individuals. For instance, your staff could provide mini presentations on a variety of topics such as advanced use of Microsoft Excel, project management, or using social media. The idea is to learn from each other and celebrate the diversity of our team. Many people are happiest when they are learning and growing, and this is part of human nature. We all want to feel the satisfaction of getting better and developing our skills. And when we do this together, it creates a culture of development. By helping the staff recognize that every person on their team has a unique contribution from which they can benefit and learn, we can continue to learn and grow together as an organization. So this is my question for you. What are you doing to promote development in your organization? How well are you utilizing the skills of your current staff? And how could you more fully capitalize on their skills? And that's all for today. Thank you for joining. See you in the next episode.